vlogging tonight. Oh, look at my kids. Rocket! Hi, guys! Happy yung baby ko. Hey Lola, parang may-ari ng isang Lola ko. Lola ko po. Let me show you how to do it, okay? You go here. Go. Do it. There, okay. Now, let's go, Rocket. You can do it, anak. Come here. Come here, Rocket. You can do it. Moon. Let's go, Kuya. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hoy, andito na tayo, guys! Arrival of the Fetus. Lang. Yan. Now we're here. Lalabas lang namin ng airport. Palabas pa lang pala kami ng airport. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Ma-action tong araw na to. Welcome to our home. Hong Kong. Hi. Kasi yan dyan, pre.
Oh, Kaplan style.
Hong Kong style, bye! Ito sila, bye bye! Dito nga pala ako.
Tong cable gas station.
Hi, sure. Hong Kong style. Nakasakay na kami ng taxi, guys, and we're heading to cable car. Punyan man. There you go. Sure. Thank you so much, Anson.
Masaya to. All together?
Yeah.
It was last Tuesday.
Thank you, Anson. Ayan o.
Nasa airplane na tayo.
Bawin na kapag airplane ko, mas nasa ibabaw kayo. Ano pag nilapag sa sa'yo? Pag nilapag
Ang gabi sa bawang galaw.
Wala namang epekto eh. Kaya kailangan maglakad ako. Kaya yun. Ang pin basic. Pinagalitan na ako doon. Yung sa'yo nagpapasap sa. Yung picture kita, wala kahit picture.
Yo man, let's go. You're in the vlog right now. There you go.
This building is tallest in Hong Kong.
Really? That
Yeah,
one?
That one. Yes.
The gray?
Yeah. The second one is this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
The next one is Hang Hong Sai.
Okay.
Hang Hong
Please don't look, man. Labas lang muna tayo guys. Bili tayo ng mga food. Sa streets ng HK man. Kumusta kayo dyan? What up people? Siyempre walang kamatayang 7 Evelyn.